Assalamualaikum dan selamat sejahtera. We are students from AS 1164A1 will be presenting about type of food quality system that can be used in established food premises, Haccp. My name is Siti Adila Nadirah binti Muhammad Dom.
My name is Auni Rashikah binti Azman.
Fazlin Harani binti Fadzili.
My name Nur Aishakila binti Nur Akmal.
What is Haccp? H. Hazard. Danger to health. A. Analysis. Investigation of the hazard. C. Critical. Crucial for containment. C. Control. Handling of condition. P. Point. Position in the process. Importance of hazard to prevent foodborne illness. Second, to reduce the risk of product recalls and help companies save money. More effective use of resources and more timely response to food safety problems. Lastly, to promote international trade by increasing buyer confidence in food safety.
Potential hazard. Biological hazard. Microorganisms as bacteria, virus, yeast, molds, and parasites. Examples of biological hazards include Salmonella, E. coli, and Clostridium botulinum. Chemical hazards, as the improper use of pesticides, antimicrobial residues, sanitizer or cleaner. Physical hazards include objects that are hard or sharp such as glass, metal, plastic, stones, peat, wood, or even bones. Allergen: egg, shellfish, soybean, nuts.
Next, let's see the principle of hazard. We have a listing, hazard analysis, critical control points, CCP identifying, establishment of critical limits, development of monitoring procedures, corrective action, verification, and the last one is documentation. Listing hazard analysis critical control points. Conduct hazard analysis to identify the potential hazards associated with food production at all stages. CCP identifying. Determine the points or procedure or operational step that can be controlled. The first one is to prevent or eliminate the hazards. The second one is to minimize its likelihood of occurrence as a CCP. Establishment of critical limits. Establish critical limit which shall be met to ensure the CCP critical control point is under control. Development of monitoring procedures. Establish a system by schedule testing, measurement, and or observation to monitor control of the CCP. Corrective action. Establish the corrective actions to be taken when monitoring indicates that a particular CCP is not under control. Verification. Establish procedures for verification which include supplementary tests and procedures to confirm that the Haccp system is working effectively. Documentation. Establish documentation for all procedures and records appropriate to this principle and their application.
Next, we will look at 12 steps of Haccp planning. Step 1. Assemble Haccp team. Step 2. Describe product. Step 3. Identify intended use. Step 4. Construct flow diagram. Step 5. Verify the flow diagram. Step 6. Principle 1. Conduct hazard analysis. Step 7. Principle 2. Identify critical control point, CCP. Step 8. Principle 3. Establish critical limits, CL, for each CCP. Step 9. Principle 4. Establish a monitoring procedure. Step 10. Principle 5. Establish corrective action plan. Step 11. Principle 6. Establish the verified Haccp plan. And the last step, which is step 12, principle 7, establish the record-keeping procedure.
To summarize, Haccp is a dynamic strategy established to reduce food safety problems. It aids in the reduction of mycotoxin in food processing. It guarantees food safety and raises widespread knowledge about food safety precautions. The 7 principles of Haccp must be strictly observed in order for it to work properly. Governments and other food-related groups have a vital role in supporting the Haccp system. Food and other high-quality items have seen significant advance throughout the years. Haccp has been acknowledged as the greatest and most intelligent method, and it is supported by local, national, and worldwide agencies.